Each year, the United States produces over 6 billion pounds of peanuts. But what happens after the harvest? While many are turned into oil and peanut butter, a massive portion is loaded onto ships, bound for destinations around the globe. From giant container ports to specialized packaging plants, the U.S. peanut export industry is a hidden powerhouse, fueling snacks, sauces, and confections in over 90 countries. This is the untold story of how billions of pounds of American peanuts travel from southern farms to supermarket shelves around the world. The journey of every exported peanut begins in the rich, sun-drenched soils of the American South, especially in Georgia, Alabama, and Texas, where ideal weather and decades of farming expertise converge. Here, vast peanut fields stretch across the horizon, tended by farmers who know every inch of the land. Harvest season begins in late summer. Giant digger machines gently uproot the peanut plants, flip them upside down, and leave them to dry in the sun for several days. This simple, natural drying process helps reduce moisture content, crucial for long-distance shipping and storage. Once dried, the peanuts are scooped up by massive harvesters and hauled to local buying points, specialized centers where the first round of cleaning and grading begins. At these facilities, the peanuts are separated from dirt, rocks, and plant residue. Then, they're dried again in industrial dryers, bringing the moisture content to export grade levels, around 8 to 10%. But not all peanuts make the cut. Each batch is carefully tested for aflatoxins, size, and quality. Only those that pass USDA export standards will move forward. From the farm to the processing line, every peanut is tracked, traced, and treated with care, laying the foundation for global export success. After passing quality control inspections, the approved peanuts are sent to specialized packaging facilities. Here, the final stage of sorting takes place, separating each type of peanut: in-shell, shelled, roasted, and raw. Each type serves a different market and purpose. Some are processed into confectionery, others are pressed for oil or roasted for direct consumption. Modern machinery handles the entire operation: weighing, bagging, vacuum sealing, and labeling for traceability. Each shipment is clearly marked with harvest date, growing region, factory code, moisture level, and safety certifications. Large bundles, weighing hundreds of kilograms, are placed on pallets and shrink-wrapped for maximum protection during transport. Depending on the order, peanuts may be packed in 25-kilogram bags, 1-ton jumbo sacks, or standard food-grade cartons. From here, the journey enters a global scale. Refrigerated containers are prepared in advance, with interior temperatures precisely controlled to preserve the quality of the peanuts throughout transit. Once sealed, the container leaves the facility, beginning its journey to the seaport, where tens of thousands of American agricultural containers await export to the world. From rural packaging facilities, containers of peanuts begin a journey spanning thousands of kilometers. Transported on specialized semi-trucks, the shipments make their way to major seaports like Savannah, Houston, or Los Angeles, where hundreds of cargo ships await, ready to head out to sea. At the port, containers are lifted onto ships by massive cranes, stacked layer by layer like bricks in a global wall of trade. Logistics is an essential part of the peanut export industry. Everything is carefully controlled. The temperature inside the container, vibrations during transport, even the surrounding humidity levels. GPS tracking systems and smart sensors enable exporters to monitor each shipment in real time, from American docks to warehouses in Europe and Asia. Beyond sea freight, some shipments are also transported by rail or air, depending on specific requests from international buyers. Behind every peanut is a sophisticated supply chain, optimized for time, cost, and safety, all to ensure that when a pack of peanuts reaches consumers in Japan, Germany, or Saudi Arabia, its quality remains just as fresh as the day it left the farm in Georgia. From American seaports, peanuts begin their journey to over 90 countries worldwide. China, Mexico, Canada, the Netherlands, and Japan are among the top importers, each with its own unique demand and consumer preferences. In China, American peanuts are favored for their large size and internationally recognized cleanliness. In Japan, they are commonly used in premium snacks and traditional cuisine. Across Europe, consistent quality, clear traceability, and strict food safety certifications are key reasons why importers trust U.S. peanuts. Even in the Middle East, roasted American peanuts are a core ingredient in signature dishes like hummus and tahini. So, what makes U.S. peanuts so uniquely appealing? It's not just the superior quality of the nuts, but an entire ecosystem of standardized production, inspection, and logistics. Each order is accompanied by full traceability documentation, lab analyses, and international certifications from USDA, HACCP, or FSMA. Global customers aren't just buying peanuts. They're buying into the reputation of American agriculture. And that's how U.S. peanuts have become a symbol of the gold standard in the world of agricultural exports. Behind every container of peanuts lies a multi-billion-dollar value chain. In 2023 alone, the United States exported over 1.3 million tons of peanuts, generating nearly $700 million in revenue and making a significant contribution to the agricultural trade balance. But the value of peanuts goes far beyond export numbers. Peanuts are a strategic crop tied to tens of thousands of farming households, a network of warehouses, logistics systems, processing plants, and thousands of workers across the supply chain. From small family farms to global food corporations, peanuts represent the intersection between traditional agriculture and modern industry. The U.S. government also considers peanuts a strategic commodity in its agricultural policy, supported by crop insurance programs, subsidies, and international trade promotion initiatives. Behind every peanut is an ecosystem organized and operated like a precision machine. From planting the right seed varieties, smart cultivation, automated harvesting, to data analysis, quality control, and global marketing. So, when a bag of peanut snacks appears on a supermarket shelf overseas, it's not just food, it's a symbol of innovation, efficiency, and the global competitiveness of American agriculture. From a tiny seed planted in the red soil of the American South, the peanut has undergone an extraordinary journey, traveling thousands of kilometers and passing through hundreds of steps to reach the tables of millions of families around the world. It's more than just a crop. The peanut is a symbol of connection between farmers and consumers, between technology and tradition, between one nation and the entire world. And the journey is far from over. If you'd like to dive deeper into how the U.S. transforms peanuts into pure cooking oil, creamy peanut butter, and other high-value products, stay tuned for the next episodes in our series, Peanut Journey, From Farm to Table. Which part of the peanut export journey impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next agricultural journey with AgriNext 365.